Hello my beautiful people. The last video I showed you a little bit on what I have been doing to improve my soil over the years, and this is just a little bit I want to show you. As you can see the difference, that place was all grass, clay, and I worked on it for a long time. So the first thing we are going to need to do is some chicken manure. This is the brand that I have used for many years. There is another brand that I also use, but we're going to use this today. And first we are going to apply some organic soil. I'm using Nature's Care today because it's mixed with compost and some organic matter. So I'm just going to put it all over on top of the thin layer of grass clippings and leaves that I have added to the soil. So I usually add soil on top of this because it helps to get more warm as they decompose. So when it starts to get warm and I start to work in that area, you will notice that there's a lot of worm underneath it. So now what I'm going to do, I have the chicken manure. So I always apply chicken manure this time of year or early fall because chicken manure is high in nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and all of those things. You need them for your plants to thrive properly. So after I apply the thin layer of chicken manure, then I apply water to it. And I make sure I water it enough. If it is going to snow the next day, I don't apply too much water, but it is going to be freezing cold. So that's why I'm just applying enough water. So as you can see over the years, if you have clay soil like I did before, you will need to spend a little more time improving your soil. And yes, it can be done. So just keep working at it and you will get it done. So also a plant cover crop that you can use, I did a video last year about it, that I always use is clover, because clover helps your soil and it also provides nitrogen to your soil. So adding mulch, especially around this time of year, even though it's cold, we are not doing much outside, but it helps to supply moisture and nutrients to the plants. It improves drainage. It helps to decrease like evaporation, and it helps to stabilize the temperature of your soil, when especially when it starts to freeze. I remember my husband telling me nothing is going to grow because this is all grass, and I was just digging grass, taking grass out, and just working on the soil, working on the soil. I was so focused on working on the soil that now it is paying off. So I just want to help you step by step so you can get there, and I know you can. So I was looking around, I seen some onions and garlic growing in my garden. I know I have a lot of work to do. I'm pretty excited. I can't wait for it to start getting warm. I know you can do it as well. So have a lovely day. It's pretty cold outside, and be safe.